Hello guys, I visited the market square in Abia, one of the best market square in Southeast that I have seen. Do you know that this is Abia? You can see. This is Bata in Abia. They call this place Bata. So guys, I'll be showing you everything. This is Abia. If you don't know, share this video. It's along the Abia Owerri Road. I was surprised to see that Abia have this beautiful market square. This is a shop ride for me, bro. More than a shop ride, bro. This is more than a shop ride for me. Bro, this is market square down there in Abia. You can see. So guys, in this video, don't go anywhere. We have to explore the inside and see how the inside is. Because they are saying that the inside interior is very high and beautiful. So guys, we are going inside. You see the compound. You see how everywhere is. You see how they arrange the car parking. You see how everywhere is organized. Oh my God. This is Abia. Abia is not only known for business. It's not only known for like only clothes business and other thing they sell in Abia. Abia is known for tourism. Abia is a place that you can explore. This is a market square down there in Abia. Guys, everywhere is beautiful. Everywhere is nice. So guys, we have to explore the inside. Let me show you guys how the inside is. I was surprised. Somebody have to wake me up that this is Abia. The Abia, they told us that Abia is dirty. Abia is not a place to be. You see? If they close your eyes and take you inside this place, you will not know that you are in Abia in Abia State. See how everywhere is. You see ice cream that I do see outside countries. Is down here in the market square. You can see. You see inside, you see ice creams everywhere. You see fish, you see chicken. Oh my God, you see beef. Guys, this is inside the market square down there in Abia. I was surprised. I am still surprised. I have not wake up since I entered this place. I have confirmed that Abia is now developed and clean. Not what you see on television, not what you hear on TV. Come to Abia and explore Abia and see the beauty of Abia. Share this video so that our brothers in diaspora, outside countries, will see this video, and our sisters will see how Abia is. Abia have a market square that looks like Europe market square. You can see. You will think that you are in outside country if you enter this place. I am surprised that Abia have this kind of place in Abia. Oh my God. This is where you pay for your goods, everything you bought. This is a place you pay. You can see the inside. The interior, the design and the arrangement is beautiful. This is when I'm leaving, guys. See outside. Just see outside. If you have come to this place, please just like, comment, tell me the last time you come to this place, and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Guys, this is Abia. Abia is now beautiful and developed. More videos I will be dropping. Don't forget to put the notification button so that anytime I drop, you will see the video. I have a lot of videos to drop that I made in Abia. This is Abia in Abia State, inside Southeast. God bless Otti for the development. Oh my God. See outside. See how outside atmosphere look like. This is beautiful. Peace and love. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys.